Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. So today, boy, it's a good day. Yeah, when we say it's a good day, it's a good day for law-abiding citizens of Jamaica. Yeah, man. Um, yeah, and the reason why we're saying that the the gunman who killed Detective Mario Thomas, he was a old corrosion, yes, criminal behind the badge, but you know, the system went about it the wrong way because he wasn't convicted for any crime. But we are not supporting his lifestyle. His lifestyle is wrong. You can't be a bad man and police at the same time. So before we move on, so before we start today's video, we must take a moment to express our heartfelt wishes to Detective Ivan O. Thompson. Yeah, man, our former boss. Yeah, man, when we say boss, we thought was supervisor, immediate supervisor. Yeah, before we have any crime chief and them thing. Yeah, man, Detective Inspector Ivan O. Thompson. Why people them in a St. Andrews South love him everywhere in a South, from Riverton right back down to West Best. Them love him. Yeah, man, this man couldn't do anything. Hey, man, I tell you, the people them love him and them they trust him. Yeah, you understand? Yeah. Um, this is one of the detectives that the people them, when I say people them, we are talking the poor people them love him and trust him because not one of the informants, people who supply him with information, have been compromised, and because of that, the people them trust him. Yeah, and he was very, very exceptionally effective in St. Andrew South. You know, um, people, if everybody love you, something is wrong with you. So I just saw it go. You understand? So we want to wish him, yeah man, wishing Detective Ivan O. Thompson, recruiter and mentor. His influence has shaped my journey as a young detective in ways beyond measure. Today he celebrates 88, yeah man, 88 remarkable years on this earth. His voice resonates with strength, happiness, and the enduring power of wisdom. Yeah man, Sir Ivanhoe, and the enduring power of wisdom. Sir Ivanhoe, you have been more than a teacher to us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel and Positive Thinkers. Your guidance has been a beacon of light, illuminating our path and instilling a profound sense of purpose and dedication. And this particular day, we join together to wish you the happiest of birthdays. Your legacy of inspiration continues to enrich our lives. And for that, we are forever grateful. Yeah, so moving on. So we want you to listen now to this report from TVJ, yeah man, giving us the good news. And we want to tell all of the criminal them, say, hey, look here. And we are telling, don't listen to DSP. Yeah man, we are telling, say, don't listen to DSP Kerry Duncan. He's a he's a departure loan specialist, but him not have the rank like Linwood Edwards. We are telling that because we are talking from experience, Yeah man, when you talk about Eddie, them the man that different to the man. Them man they are the last, Eddie, M. Ford Wade, Ruben Gunter. But hey, you can't see Eddie still, like boy, the man is still like the man is still in them 20, Because yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Eddie is like 2 years, 2 years older than yours truly. So him still have it just like a sub Donald Pusey was, So we want you to listen to this report from TVJ. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Shane Masters, and here are the details. The main suspect in the murder of Police Constable Mario Thomas was shot and killed in a joint police military operation in Manchester this morning. It's also understood that a firearm was recovered from the scene. The deceased man has been identified as 33-year-old Kerry Douglas, otherwise called Little Dog or Stickman. Deputy Superintendent of Police Kerry Duncan is head of the Manchester Police.
During the operation, a warrant was executed at a premises. On their approach, they were greeted with gunfire. The police took evasive action and returned the fire. When the shooting ended, one man was found suffering from gunshot wound. He was assisted to the Mandeville Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival.
However, relatives of the deceased, who refused to speak with us on camera, are disputing the claim that a firearm was recovered. In the meantime, this warning from DSP Duncan.
And these operations will continue. Just want to encourage the persons who may fall in the suspect category that when we come to apprehend, you do not resist, because we see what the end result can be. And when these things happen, then nobody wins.
Yes, man. So we can tell you, said DSP Kerry Duncan is a known departure long specialist, but he don't really have saying everything. You have people where we up in a rank and them thing there, but you don't know Eddie, yeah man, Eddie right now in a Jamaica and them thing there. We can talk from our personal experience. Yeah man, Eddie supposed to be right now there, but hey, wait I say, say Eddie free military in America. Joint Chief of Staff. So Eddie is the Joint Chief when they come on to that in a Jamaica right now. Cause no, yeah. And yeah, Emford Wade and them man they way up there to one boy Gunter, way up there. But right now we can see on Linford, yeah man, Linroy, party police. Yeah, hey, the man they know if you have fun, believe you with me, Yeah man, and them now we see I carry the mantle. The other them paper police them and them thing. Yeah man, what's a paper police? Them a money a police in man. Hey, them a money me I tell you, yeah man, me tell you about Leonard Edwards. This is a policeman, the man we all are there them yard and I eat, and here you a hot ball for helping. And the man they come in a police car, and all him shorts and t-shirt, I saw the man I see, yeah, and about that feast when him come, he might come hide, He might come right just by the fire there, Me I tell you, I saw him stay, Yeah. So we know Kerry Duncan, him used to die the same place with Eddie and them thing there, but Eddie, I want special police, we can't tell you that. Yeah, man, what was a special? Them man, they special. Them man, they not run from nothing. Me can't say, yeah, them man, they not run from nothing. Yeah, man, so Eddie, yeah, man, Eddie are the giant chief, man, when they come on to that right now in a Jamaica, because the other police, them where, we say about khaki and them thing, yeah, paper, yeah, so paper police, them and them thing, or paper tiger, but yeah, Kerry Duncan, yeah, man, you understand, a departure long specialist, but Eddie, yeah, man, yeah, Eddie are the giant chief, man, him in charge of them thing the right now, and based on him uniform, the others, them, yeah, we talk from personal experience, because you understand. So to all gunmen, we tell us, yeah, to all gunmen and all gunmen, killers and robbers out there, I have some advice here. Don't listen to DSP here, Duncans. Yeah, man, don't listen to him. Him example of surrender to police. Nobody do that. Bad man no surrender. That's not how accurate bad men operate. Bad men are known for their fearlessness, ruthlessness, and determination to make their presence felt. So you have to beat chat. So you understand, if you get where you can go both, so you understand what I'm saying? Hey, I'm gonna put it on the board, then I saw bad man work. Bad man ain't not surrender thing about for going to jail. No, sir. No jail, and the man come wake up and you see man press down him soldier and all them things. I say, yo, oh yeah, the man here come grounds, man, Now bad man no work, sir. Bad man beat, shot. Yeah, so we love it. I will just keep beat, yeah. You understand? Because we love another guy the departure. We are telling that. Yeah. So say bad men thrive on showing the police that they are not afraid of going all the way to the departure lounge. That's how it go. Yeah, man. So when you embrace this mentality, you prove you're a true bad man, not someone who fear jail. Yeah, not some you're not afraid of jail because you're not going to jail. You're not that. You understand? Which is often seen as for weaklings. And go weak man go to jail or because police hold you off guard and you never have your thing. If you have your thing, you just go feet and I just saw it go. Because we love when you go to the part, we love when time we see you fight it. Yeah, your eye open and we say, don't fight it. It's gonna be alright. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. You're a good boy. Don't fight it. And you did there and look and until last breath he say, good boy. Just lift him up and put him in a chuck back in a chunk I care and scare him and finger take him flight now. I just saw it go. That's a bad man work. Bad man ain't a girl business and them thing there about boy, murder. No, bad man works a coward that. Bad man beat bad man a bad man. Bad man give shot and bad man take shot. That's how it go. I mean. We don't play a thing with no boy man. Okay, we have my man a bad man. So you have to prove and show them say you're not a weakling. So choosing to confront law enforcement head on rather than surrendering asserts your dominance and showcases your defiance against authority. It's about maintaining your reputation and showing that you are willing to go to the extreme lengths to protect your interests and uphold your status. In the criminal underworld, say, oh, man a bad man, man a tech talk from, man afraid of the police, boy, when them come for you. Yeah. So that's how we they all corrodes and him thing that, yeah man, him just go straight to the departure line. Yeah man, send him there. That's how it go. Yeah man. See. So it's about maintaining a reputation. So we don't want, look here, we don't want a man who kill nobody and them thing they go to jail. No. Yeah. And them thing they for weakling and them thing. The man a bad man. That's how it go. That's how I say, so a bad man. Oh man a tech talk, yeah. So that's how we want it and them thing now. Just continue it. You understand? And yeah man, departure long we always have space, Yeah man, departure long always have space in them boy and them thing now. You can't fool it up. Yeah, man, I will love it. Hey, only thing we want in the come, you shut up your mouth and them thing and just watch the ride. You understand? That's why we want a new constitution and them thing. If we get rid of one, send him back to England. That's all we can send back that white man there. You understand? Yeah, we want him to go back to England. Because he's not a Jamaican. We don't want a white man in our country. And if you're not a Jamaican, you go back to England. Because you just say, I come, I help breed up criminal now. We want to send the whole of them guys to the departure lounge. You understand? We are telling that. So remember that real bad men, yeah man, leave a mark. And they do it boldly. Yeah man, they're not play. Yeah man, and see all Corrows in the Detective Thomas, all Corrows, yeah man, Detective Thomas was a very dangerous criminal hiding behind the badge. Yeah, so him, boy, them say, boy, a Detective Thomas, I him like where all Corrows, brother, and the boy. So a retaliation and revenge. And then the police have to just do the cleanup. The police, them don't know, say, man, dead and them thing. So that's why the authority, them take away gun. But Virgin can't live, so. Second policeman know like this now. Muggle dog, and suppose me tell you something, my name Fidel Beckford. I know say I'm here, that you they could have lose the work and that wouldn't even happen to him. Could have remember that Unspe, when him just start out. Um one night I remember some people down by Third Street at Greenwich Farm. Them they play them and I get to them play them bingo and them thing and them gamble and you don't know we as detective when I would trouble them people there and them thing. We don't say gambling is illegal thing, but hey, I get to I saw it going, you have to cut them some slack. So him now, as police and boy him go there and muggle dog, yeah, Fidel Beckford. That the next gangster police. But him come from Manchester and muggle dog come from Clarendon. So a two man from country, man, them want to be bad man. You understand? Me don't know how that work. Cause you can't serve two master. So him now, Fidel Beckford now, I don't know if the special district constable and the special constable are listening to them thing there and a DC. Three police out there playing, about 8 people and him scrape up and carry them and Hornsby and him and the special didn't a problem. Him lick the special and all kind of thing and him did lick all the special district constable. Him never know say them a police till then time them reach a Hornsby and but through them know me and them thing there and them a say boy, them want to press some charge against him man because him assault them and drape them up and all kind of thing and him realize say, you know, so him there and him a beg me and and beg me for talk to them and anyway I talk to them and thing and everything they just died here so and them thing like but the woman DC she did really want for she really want to hurt him still though, because she said, I support look how much years all man like you there and you never this way. I wanna know sir. Wanna know so we out there and we always a do a thing. I'll do we are police and saying a garrison we live man you understand, we're not busy nobody. And anyway, so I just saw it go, it work out and Muggle dog, did get cut some slack. So eventually the man will become a Dan like the brother like Thomas and end up seeing him dead and him thing. At first them say around labor right brother when him Jerome kill him and all kind of thing and then now, me have some family and them thing there. In 4 parts. And them tell me say, no, I don't saw it go on them thing there. Family were down a toll gate and them thing there. I say, no, I don't saw it go on them thing there, Chris. Him was caroused and him a criminal police and all kind of thing and and them I say boy, him a him all try all start all the man them a drive mall truck and I say wow. But at first them, people are just I saw it going on when people are propaganda them come out and say boy, them to really take him them take him 2 gun them stealing up because then they want them to kill him. Because it was problem still doing it. So him use the police. My worker too, but my criminal. You can't serve 2 master. So then they kill him and at first them they say boy a Jerome. Catch him kill Jerome. What's it to a Jerome cousin? Jerome is a brother and all them thing. The female mother used to, the station and Maypen, you understand? And him have whole heap of police friend and them thing. Them man they a big labor, you understand what I'm saying? I just saw it go. So, so true him but me don't know him now him all fool and them thing. Him come from a community. Jerome come from the community and the whole of them and them thing. Oh make no money and them thing like Jerome and you go try say you want to control place. What you supposed to do, supposed to provide help, work with the police, them and them thing there and Maypen, but and 4 parts. No. Instead of that, bad them up on them thing. So him did make a whole heap of enemy by him, the police circle. So them they take him gun and man did I say, a cowboy and all them thing and them get paid to take it away. Then it was revealed that it was Ratcliffe Lewis. You take away him gun card. Them man, Ratcliffe Lewis, you know, them man, they are banned. Hey, still, you know, Ratcliffe Lewis, are original labor right police, you know. Yeah, man, them man, they back in the 80s in the 80s when with Errol Anderson. Them man, they, hey, them man, they not load all ganja plane, you know. Yeah, man, long a thing there. Vernon Field. Yeah, man. Same brother we I tell about. Ratcliffe Lewis, so you said that traffic. And man, from the 80s, them man, they lose them visa, you know. The man they can't travel come to America and them thing. But hey, the man they get promotion, see me. Hey, Jamaica, a really criminals paradise, you know. You know how many police with Jamaica right now they can't leave Jamaica. Me I tell you, they can't them not no visa, them can't get the visa because they corrupt. I tell you. Yeah man. I'll brother when name all Wayne Clark, yeah, well, come from Portland. The man is me and the man is a constable, you know. The man the assistant commissioner, the man they can't take plane, you know. Yeah man, the man they can't. The man the passport not good at all. So anyway, so I tell you them thing, and the time I alone, the only thing that's in my gangster them thing, but a whole heap of corrosion and thief in the police force to all assistant, commissioner, and deputy. Yeah man, and hey, you know, I just saw it go. So yeah man, so I would tell you say, you know, real bad man, them left them mark and them thing, and they do it boldly. Surrendering isn't an option. It's about asserting your power and making it clear that you operate by your rules, not those of the law. So this approach resonates with those who value strength, defiance, and unwavering commitment to their criminal lifestyle. So we are telling you, somebody listen to me, sir. Somebody listen to Kerry Duncan, murderers, killers, robbers. Yeah, that's how we like when you want to go the departure lounge. Yeah, man. You understand? We love that. You know, flight, we love when the flight them full. We don't like, you know, flight, you know, you have all 13 seat. We love when the flight full. You understand? Because we have to have people, yeah. Because you know, see the people them are dead from gunshot and them thing. Then they on a different flight, you know, natural death. Natural death people are them always, like old people, were sick and dead. Them on a different flight. For them flight, nice, you know, them not on a turbulence, but the corrosion them, no, for them flight, rough. That's how it goes. So we like when I up on a flight there. And you have different flights, you know, where always there and flight departing to, you understand what I'm saying? So I just saw it go. So to all those who considering their next move, yeah man, think carefully what it means to be a true bad man. Embrace your fearless nature, make your mark, and show the world you will not be trifled with. Yeah man, you know, I mean, about the Trump, yeah, that's how real bad man rolls. You understand? So on June 25th, yeah man, 2024, yeah, in Bottops, Manchester, a significant police operation culminated in the fatal shooting of Kerry Douglas, also known as Stickman or Little Dog Boy. Little Dog gets him get some real Little Dog get some nice shot. Me, I tell you, I believe you, be. Yeah man, see man. I saw it go Little Dog, yeah man. We love when a guard the departure long. Yeah man, resist. Nobody listen to me say Duncan and boss, boy, surrender. No, we not that, cause we not like when a guard jail. We love when a guard departure long. Straight, one wave, no cancellation, no refund, and straight flight. At first class, if you want first class, you will get first class. You understand? Until you get coach, because you understand, you get shot and you run, you get shot and a days after we find you in a bush. Yeah, we don't want that. We want right there so you get first class right. Yeah, you know see. So I just saw it go. So Stickman gets stick, who was identified as a prime suspect in the recent killing of Constable Mario Thomas, an alleged gangster. I can't call him road cop, equal to a real carousing. Yeah man, a dirty nigga this boy. And the mama shouldn't, I tell you say me seen her. Yeah, you know say, although still doing, you know, we attack from a legal perspective. Him shouldn't dead that them shouldn't take away him gun still, what you understand? Them shouldn't take away him gun because him could have killed a boy and kill some more carousing. I'm a real carousing too, you know. You understand? But I see them really kill him still because if them really follow like how the law operate, him on dead. Cause him, I tell you, say, him would look at this corals, you know, cause him the ramp, you know, for kill them too, you know, I doubt the boy, you know. I tell you. So Constable Thomas was found murdered in Comfort District on June 18. His body was discovered in the bushes of Breezy Hill after a chase and subsequent shooting by a assailant. Yeah man, so a stick man run him down, you know, and beat some shot on him. Boy, I see, hey boy, you see, I know say man a real carouse now, the way the man dress, you know. Oh yeah, police and all them thing there, your pants on your body. Kind of man a 37. A real old dirty man that, you know, me I tell you, the man no have nothing about him, man. But as for female life still, but anyway, him gone still. So subsequent shooting by an unarmed by an assailant, Thomas has been halted since September 2020 due to an alleged involvement in serious crimes, including murder. Why a dangerous police, you know. Deputy Superintendent Kira Douglas, head of Manchester Police, providing details of the operation that led to Douglas' demise. He described an early morning joint operation involving the Alligator Pond Police and the Special Operation Unit executed at a premises in Botop. Duncan emphasized that the police encountered gunfire upon approaching the location, prompting them to return fire in self-defense. The exchange left Douglas critically wounded, and despite efforts to aid him, he succumbed to his injuries. Yeah man, so straight at departure lounge him go. So during the operation, law enforcement seized a 9mm pistol with a loaded magazine from the scene, underscoring the danger faced by police officers in confronting armed suspects like Douglas. Reports indicate Douglas had a history of encounter with the police dating back to his teenage years and had previously been detained in connection with multiple murders. So this is all experienced criminal, you know. Why, hey, we're glad for boy Mr. Duncan say you send him straight to the departure now. So DSP Duncan took the opportunity to appeal to the public for cooperation with law enforcement efforts. He emphasized that the police legal obligation to pursue criminal suspects while urging individuals not to resist arrest. Duncan highlighted the tragic outcome that can result from such confrontations, emphasizing that no one emerged victorious in such instances. The incident underscored the ongoing efforts of law enforcement to maintain public safety and apprehend individuals involved in criminal activities, while also serve as a stark reminder of the risk and consequences associated with violent confrontations between suspect and police. So in recent confrontation, the police successfully neutralized the individual responsible for the murder of Mario Thomas. Yeah man, Thomas, however, was not just an officer gone rogue. He was a dangerous criminal who abused his position within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. His action tarnished the reputation of the entire force, betraying the trust of his family, colleagues, and community. Carousing police, yeah, carousing. Even before joining the police force, Thomas exhibited a criminal mindset. His entry into law enforcement provided him a cover to perpetrate crimes under the guise of authority. This misuse of power made him a disgrace to himself and all who trusted him and uphold the law. Despite the evidence of his criminal activities, Thomas' mother, Miss Senior, defended him, disregarding his actions. His reluctance to acknowledge his wrongdoing is symptomatic of more significant societal issues contributing to Jamaica's persistent crime problems. Thomas' case serves as a sobering reminder of how corruption can infiltrate institutions that safeguard society. His ability to operate with impunity underscored the challenges in rooting out corruption and restoring public trust in law enforcement. Addressing such issues moving forward require transparency, accountability, and a commitment to upholding the integrity of the police force. Only through these measures can the JCF rebuild its reputation and effectively combat crime in Jamaica. Well, may I tell you, that's hard, because you have too much criminal in the police force. May I tell you, yeah, it corrupt, whether or not you want to believe it and everything that, you can count on some people where, say, I'm not a thief. I tell you that, you understand? So Detective Maria Thomas exploited his authority to facilitate criminal activities, betraying the trust the community and his fellow officers bestowed upon him. His demise is a poignant reminder of law enforcement critical's need for rigorous oversight and unwavering integrity. Tragically, Thomas met his end in a manner befitting the criminals he once pursued. He was gunned down in the streets like a dog, a stark illustration of how deeply entrenched criminality has become in a society where lawlessness often goes unchecked. Born into an environment where criminal behavior is something you glorify rather than condemn, Thomas' path reflects systemic failure behind his actions. So despite suspicions and intelligence linking him to multiple homicides, concrete evidence to bring Thomas to justice remain elusive. The complexities of policing in environments rife with corruption and violence hindered efforts to apprehend him through lawful means. In a cruel twist of fate, Thomas became a retaliation target. Those who perceive him responsible for the death of their loved ones sought retribution, perpetuating a cycle of violence that ultimately claimed his life. His killers, driven by a desire for revenge, left his body discarded in the bushes, underscoring the brutal realities of criminal justice in communities where justice is often sought outside of the law. So I just saw it going in Jamaica. People don't bother with the court again. People just deal with things themselves. Because them say court too lenient and the court work too slow. So people want justice and they want it now. So that's why we have so many murders in Jamaica. So and number one, you see all thief in judge when him Chief Justice Brian Legacy, like the paper back judge. See him yeah, with him in the court. Yeah, if you don't have no money, if you don't have no money, dog not mess up and me I tell you. I saw him working on the man in a brown paper bag the man the deal you know. So the tragic saga of Detective Maria Thomas served as a call to action. It's underscored the urgent need for a comprehensive reform within law enforcement and broader societal changes to address the root causes of crime. We can dismantle the structures perpetuating violence and restore faith in the rule of law only through steadfast commitment to transparency, accountability, and ethical conduct. Detective Thomas, torn between the life of a law enforcement officer and the allure of a criminal lifestyle, tragically met his end in a manner reflective of the very violence he sought to combat. As his life is remembered and his funeral approaches, it prompts reflection on the complexities of his choices and consequences they brought. His dual existence as a cop and someone entangled in criminal activities paints a complex picture of a man conflicted by opposing forces. Knowing that, the nature of his funeral becomes a sad reflection of his life contradictions. It remains to be seen what kind of funeral Detective Thomas will receive. A solemn affair reflecting his service to the community, or a quieter event overshadowed by the shadow of his criminal associations. His legacy, tarnished by controversy and tragedy, challenge us to confront the complexities of human nature and the profound impact of our choices. In the end, as mourners gathered to bid farewell, Detective Thomas' funeral as a poignant reminder of the need of integrity and clarity pursuing justice in both life and death. So this man was not an exemplary police officer. This man was a criminal in uniform. Yeah. And as we say, the system didn't really work like how it's supposed to work. Yeah, maybe him only dead still, but them just use this, them know say I'm a criminal, so them just use, them are in charge of the system, so them just use it against him. And, let's leave him out there for them kill him, because 3 times them try to kill him already. On a criminal alone, normally, And I like say because he was a cop, them and I try to kill him. I try to kill him because I'm a criminal. And them know say him not have him gun. I just saw it going, because criminal have them police friend, I just saw it, you understand? So I just one of them thing there. Detective Thomas Yaman was a very dangerous criminal hidden in CIB as a detective. So this boy did bright and all of them things, but he just love the criminal lifestyle. I don't know our man from our country was so peaceful, and you just left your country and just come and just this violence thing. It was sad. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.